to whom love. So yeah, tomorrow we are doing comedy expression. It's my MC and my baby girl. I got my baby now. The 16-year-old childbirth. I'm taking ownership.
If you don't come, you hear from us.
Yes, you hear from our lawyers.
Yes. Tomorrow.
Yes.
Inside.
Baby, forget the
Achimota.
I said, so Comedy Express tomorrow, yes.
So now DKB has come to compensate me.
Yes, and the husband is back.
You see?
Yeah.
So no one should show any insult again. If not, you hear from me.
Comedy Express tomorrow, more love, more so now no we are back. It is you.
Say my sister Becca Cassie on friend me, I no cry. And I didn't even expect her to call me. Nothing will let Becca call me for the meet and greet private with Cardi B. Because most of the celebrities see me as a stupid girl. So nothing will click their mind to call a foolish girl like Polo to come and be with them with an international, prophetic, successful Cardi B.
That's all. You know, be deep.
It's by God's grace. Favor found me. It's favor. Listen, Rosamond Brown, my life, I always say it has not been easy. And God has so many plans for me, but I don't have the push because everyone pulled back, don't want to get me close to them. Do you think if those who hate me in the industry pulled me close to them, will I even get a chance to see Cardi B? Because it's not all of the celebrities that was called to go and see Cardi B. It's like automatically Cardi B has injected me with her English. So my blood is soaked in her blood.